Hey, what is up guys, this is Tanmay, Techie Bro, and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in this video, I will be giving you some of the alternative apps that you can install rather than the Chinese apps that we use in our day-to-day life. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the first app of our list, and that's none other than the most controversial app of the year 2020, that is the TikTok. So there aren't much alternatives available to the TikTok app, but the one which I found is the IGTV from Instagram. So as you know, the Instagram app has been owned by the Facebook. So Facebook has promised that it will be enabling the monetization on IGTV soon. So that's one of the plus points for the creators out there. So the second alternative app for the TikTok is the Roposo. So the Roposo app allows the user to make the videos, edit them and then post them. One of the best thing of Roposo app is you can earn money by posting the videos on Roposo app. So this makes this app an perfect alternative for the TikTok. And cherry on the top is Roposo app is fully made in India. So what more you can ask for? So the next app on our list is the browser. So many of you might have been using the UC browser, and UC browser is an fully made in China app, and you know perfectly how these Chinese apps are excellent at breaching your privacy, and UC browser is no exception. So the first alternative for the UC browser is the Brave browser. So this Brave browser is absolutely free on Play Store and you can download it from the link given in the description. Brave browser is one of the fewest browser I have seen. It provides you one of the cleanest UI and is also packed with tons of features. So the second alternative for the UC browser is the DuckDuckGo browser. It has 10 million plus downloads with a 4.7 of average rating. It is one of the best browser I have ever used, which provides you tons of features, and it also blocks the sites which try to track your data. This is one of the most secure browser you can use on your Android phone. So the third app on our list is the VPN app. So most of the users use the Turbo VPN, which is a purely made in China app, and you all exactly know that how important is this VPN app for us. So the best alternative for the Turbo VPN app is the Proton VPN. So Proton VPN gives you unlimited access to the VPN, and it gives you access to some of the servers in the world. Although the Proton VPN app can restrict your internet speed, but that's exactly acceptable rather than breaching your privacy. So in this free version of this Proton VPN app, you can get access to Germany, France or Japan servers in the world. And if you want to access more servers and want a high speed, then you can always buy their premium services. So as you know, this is the quarantine season going on, and you might have been video calling your friends and sharing the screenshot on your social media. Many of you might have been using the Zoom video calling app, and you know how controversial this Zoom video calling app has been in the world. Many countries have banned this app, including India. So the best alternative app for the Zoom app is the GoToMeeting. This is one of the best video calling app I have ever seen, and it offers a great UI. Also the video and audio quality on this app is excellent. As many as 26 people can join a video call at a time. So this is one of the best video calling app where you can join or create a room for your friends. So the last app on our list is the most popular app called as Shareit. So every one of you must have used this app at least once in your life for sharing the movies or games. But the sad part of this app is it is made in China. So the best alternative app for Shareit is Files by Google. This application allows you the same features as of Shareit of sending and receiving files from another users. So this makes this app a perfect alternative for the Shareit app. So that's the end of the list of the apps, and voila, now you're free of all the Chinese apps from your smartphone. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friend, and also don't forget to subscribe to our Made in India YouTube channel.
अबे यार चाइना में YouTube ही नहीं होता.
Acha? Anyways, just press that red subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any future awesome tech related videos on our channel. So this is Tanmay, your Techie Bro, signing off. Peace.